Keravita Pro Review. Does it help you to get rid of fungal infections? Hey, my name is Emma and I feel shy to speak in the mic. So, I used this awesome robotic voice to create this unbiased review, which will help you to choose the right product. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to Healthy with Fit channel for such useful health and fitness videos. Before proceeding to the review, if you decide to buy Keravita Pro, check out the link in the description of this video to get it at a special discounted price. First, let's know, what is Keravita Pro all about? Keravita Pro is a dietary supplement that targets nail fungus and tries to eliminate it through a combination of precisely selected herbs and other natural ingredients that have antifungal and antibacterial properties. It is an all-natural formula made with many ingredients that are too many to count in our hands. This dietary supplement can allegedly cure your whole internal fungus poisoning problems, a rather sophisticated and daring challenge for something that is clearly designated to cure foot and toenail fungus only. Specifically, the Keravita Pro supplement has a collection of 25 all-natural herbal and vitamin-based ingredients that are known to be useful to the human body's inner workings in general. Now let's have a look at the Keravita Pro ingredient list to know more about the formula. 1. Graviola leaf, used to treat infections caused by bacteria and parasites. 2. Red raspberry, protect against diabetes, cancer and may even have anti-aging effects. 3. Green tea leaf, contains healthy bioactive compounds. 4. Beta-glucan, might stimulate the immune system and improve skin conditions. 5. Turmeric, contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. 6. Pine bark, boost the antioxidant status and protect skin from the sun damage. 7. Essaic tea complex, contains antioxidants. 8. Grapeseed, inhibit infectious growth. 9. Mushroom complex, enhance the immune system. 10. Quercetin dihydrate, have anti-allergic properties. 11. Pomegranate, loaded with all essential minerals and nutrients. 12. Olive leaf, eliminates free radicals and boost immunity. 13. Arabinogalactan, boost the immune system. 14. Cat's claw, prevents viral infections. 15. Garlic, highly nutritious and contains compounds with potent medicinal properties. 16. Panax ginseng, potent antioxidant. 17. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant with many health benefits. 18. Vitamin C, boost immunity and antioxidant levels. 19. Vitamin E, the key to strong immunity and healthy skin. 20. Selenium, acts as a powerful antioxidant and boosts your immunity system. How does Keravita Pro help? Keravita Pro can immensely help one's quality of life. Fungal infections are a very tricky and sensitive topic. Being almost equal to bacterial and viral infections in the nuisance factor can wreck our bodies when not properly managed from the onset of problems. Keravita Pro can help you retake your life, so to speak. By eliminating the unpleasant, yellow appearance of your toenail, you can once again be free of other people's criticism towards your beautiful-looking toenail. It can potentially boost your self-esteem and help you regain your confidence, so to speak. Also, it can help you live better, naturally. The culmination of herbal ingredients on the list is so many that it can potentially give our body the much-needed nutrients and vitamins to keep our organs working to full capacity. This means that Keravita Pro can essentially reset our body to optimal performance, just like in our youthful years. Now let's talk about the benefits of Keravita Pro. Here are some of the benefits of consuming Keravita Pro. Fights and removes toenail fungal infection in the nails and skin. Keravita Pro detoxifies the body from any harmful bacteria or toxins developed due to fungal infection. Prevent recurrence of fungal infection. No harmful additives or chemicals are added. It can be effective in people with diabetes as well, under a doctor's guidance. No reports of side effects. It improves skin health. The Keravita Pro website offers a 100% money guarantee. How long will it take to see the result? You can expect to see visible changes in 3 weeks' time. However, the duration it takes to show results might vary from person to person based on many factors. People are different, and the severity of the infection may also play a vital role in the results. The only thing you have to do is continue using the supplement as recommended, and you will soon start to witness changes in your body. Slowly, within 2 to 3 months, your nails and hair become stronger and healthier. Do not expect any dramatic results in no time. The formula needs to act in the body and fight with the fungus. The company suggests customers use it for at least 60 days to see visible changes. They also ensure a 100% money-back guarantee if the Keravita Pro Supplement cannot bring any improvement. What are the disadvantages of Keravita Pro Supplement? Like every other supplement, Keravita Pro Supplement also doesn't have 100% benefits only. There are some downsides to this product. It isn't available anywhere apart from the official website. You are advised to not use it if you already suffer from very critical health conditions. My final verdict. The Keravita Pro Supplement goes beyond what is expected of it. Rather than just going for fungal infections, it actually tries to go for everything so that your body can heal naturally as it is. Its formula is designed to get a person back on track at once, and while it doesn't really have anything to do with fungal infections, you can be assured that it will do its job as a dietary supplement. If you're looking for the most efficient solution for your fungal infection problem, Keravita Pro Supplement is the answer. This formula is a proven winner in helping with fungal infections and also promotes your overall well-being. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in description of this video to buy Keravita Pro Supplement at a limited time discounted price. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.